Du lytter til Live Svulp Festival Radio på 104,7. Lavet i samarbejde med Holbæk Radio.
Okay, så er vi tilbage hernede på stranden. Det er altså til Skvulp Folkemøde, og vi har lige haft performance fra Home Chill Recordings, der har inviteret nogle fantastiske amerikanske rappere til byen. Og jeg har T. Whitey siddende her i studiet. Mr. T. Whitey, welcome back to Denmark.
Oh my God, how you doing? Ooh,
I'm doing fine.
I miss you guys so much.
Good to have you. And how has this last week been in Denmark? This year we have sunshine and 25 degrees.
It's been hot. I've never been this hot before in
No, it
Denmark.
hasn't.
Oh my God, but it's been great.
Yeah.
It's been great, a great experience. It's been great energy. It's just, everything just been good, man. It's been great. I love every trip that I come. This year it's just been very, very hot.
And this year you brought Elvis, you brought NCT Windwalk.